Prepare to have your mind blown, because we're about to dive headfirst into the future of electric vehicles. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that's been generating a ton of buzz, the 2026 Zeekr 7X. This isn't just another EV. It's a statement, a revolution, a glimpse into what driving will look and feel like in the years to come. We're going to break down everything we know so far, from the sleek, futuristic design to the mind-boggling performance specs. We'll also touch on the potential price point and compare it to the competition, particularly the reigning champion, Tesla. So buckle up, because this is going to be one electrifying ride. Forget everything you thought you knew about electric cars, because Zeekr is about to redefine the game. We're talking next-level technology, a luxurious interior that rivals high-end sedans, and performance that will leave you breathless. Get ready to be amazed by the sheer audacity of the Zeekr 7X and its potential to disrupt the entire automotive industry. Seriously, folks, this car is not just a vehicle. It's a technological marvel, and we're here to unpack all the juicy details for you. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss a single second of this. Let's get started and delve into the exciting world of the Zeekr 7X 2026. Now, let's dive into the specifics, shall we? The design of the Zeekr 7X is nothing short of breathtaking. Imagine a vehicle that seamlessly blends aerodynamic efficiency with futuristic aesthetics. We're talking sharp lines, flowing curves, and an overall silhouette that screams innovation. The interior is just as impressive, with a minimalist dashboard, premium materials, and state-of-the-art technology integrated seamlessly throughout. Think massive infotainment screens, advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, and a panoramic sunroof that brings the outside in. But it's not just about looks. The Zeekr 7X is also packing some serious performance under the hood. Rumors are swirling about a dual-motor setup that delivers blistering acceleration and all-wheel drive capability. We're talking 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, folks. And with a projected range of over 400 miles on a single charge, range anxiety will be a thing of the past. The 7X is clearly targeting the high-end electric vehicle market, aiming to